So in this video we'll show you how to set up and do tube with your Boss table. What I will do is start from 0. Make my first hole. And you can either do offset lines or use the grid to your advantage. So here I'll be putting holes every 2 inches. Moving over to cam, I will change my feature type so I have inside offset. My torch will be zeroed out right in the center of the first hole. In CNC, I'll line up my laser with my mark. That'll indicate the center of my hole. To line that up exact, I can use the stepping. This will tighten the movement of the machine. I'll zero my torch. Zero my X and Y. One quick check over to make sure my settings are correct. And I'm on the first line of G-code. And hit play. There are different type of jigs you can use for aligning up the tube. One way we do it is removing the roller balls and inserting an adjustable jig. The other side of the jig will have a stop to it so we can continuously roll the square tubing and have accuracy.